To add a form to your page, click on Forms in the sidebar. From here, you have access to dozens of pre-built forms you can drag and drop on your page. Every form comes with labels, fields, and a call to action button that can be customized in any way. By selecting one of these elements, you can style all corresponding elements. Here's a quick example. Changing the font and size for one label changes the style for all labels. Changing the background color for one field changes the style for all fields. You can reorder form fields using drag and drop, or add field types using the editing menu. Click on the Settings tab to find additional options for each field type. Another way to add forms to your page is through the section browser. Contact sections within each style library typically contain a pre-styled form that matches the rest of the sections. Don't forget, you can copy and paste forms across pages. Even if you don't need the same fields, this is a great way to maintain the same style. By clicking on a form and then Form Settings, you have the ability to name your form and add a notification email that will automatically receive all your form submissions. Your form name appears under the Inbox tab in your dashboard. To view your dashboard, click on Dashboard in the left-hand corner of the bottom bar. Your inbox lets you view form submissions and basic analytics for each individual form. By clicking on a form, you also get access to export all the form submissions in CSV or Excel format.